Good morning, Year 1. I'm up bright and early this morning before school because my growth mindset challenge this year is to see if I can do 10,000 steps a day. So I'm going to try and get my steps in. Let's go on a walk and see what we can find. Now, our big picture for this week is that numbers are all around us. So I'm going to see what numbers I can spot on my walk and even around my house. Come on then, let's go.
Here are some numbers I found on my walk. They really were everywhere. Maybe you could try going on a walk and seeing what numbers you can spot. After my walk, I then went looking around my house for different numbers. Again, there was loads. Here are a few that I found. Your first challenge is to do the same. Can you either go on a walk or just simply have a look around your house to see what numbers you can find? Can you identify what number it is? Have fun! Pause the video now and begin your number hunt.
Hi Year 1 and welcome to Monday, the first maths lesson of a new week. So I hope you all enjoyed your little starter task, hunting for numbers either outside or inside. I'm sure you found lots just like I did. So before we look at today's lesson, I just want to take this opportunity to share with you some of the maths work we've received on the Year 1 email the last week. It's brilliant to see how many of you are engaging with our videos and sending your work in. So keep it up and let's have a look at who's been Work Hard Whizzes.
Well done, Elliot in 1A. Brilliant work from Mason in 1A. Wow, Zara Lily, you have been busy. Dylan from 1A, well done. Well done, Jack from 1D. That looks like a fun game that you've made there. Well done, Ross. You're concentrating, Bellamia. Wow, Pippa, good counting backwards. Well done, Ava from 1J. Brilliant reasoning, Kayla from 1J. Wow, Bria, look at you. Well done, Francesca in 1C for practicing on numbots. Good girl, Scarlett, for going through your fish challenge. Nice adding. Well done, Georgia from 1C. Wow, Emily from 1C, I like how you've represented the numbers using different objects.
So, our learning objective today is to begin to explore place value. Before we unpick that further, let's just recap on our big picture. So, as I mentioned earlier, numbers are all around us, so it's really important that we are able to identify them and read them. Here is our key vocabulary for the lesson. Place value, tens and ones. Let's do some of our word aware strategies for these. Place value. Place value. Yes. So, place value. What does it mean? Basically, place value is the value of each digit within a number, like this. So, an 8 on its own has 8 ones. If we look at the number 15, it has 1 10, represented by the number 1, and 5 ones. Moving down, 27. 2 tens, represented by the number 2, and you've guessed it, 7 ones. So, now it's time for you to have a little go. Pause the video now and see if you can figure out the answers to these. How many tens, how many ones in each of these
these numbers. How did you do? Here are the answers. Why don't you check your work? Maybe you could correct anything with a purple pen. Here are your Chili challenges for today. So, under Chili 1, there are some numbers that I'd like you to identify the tens and ones in. There are some bigger numbers under Chili 2. Have a go at those. And Chili 3 requires our reasoning skills. So, Little Red Riding Hood thinks the number 73 has 3 tens and 7 ones. Is she correct? Explain your reasoning. Pause the video now and have a go at completing your challenges.
Well done everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's maths lesson with exploring different numbers within our environment and introducing the concept of place value. So we'll be exploring place value further this week, so make sure to tune in to our lessons. See you tomorrow.